This week, Republican frustration with the Supreme Court reached a boiling point when South Carolina Senator Lindsey Graham became angry when challenged on his flip-flopping position on a widely used abortion pill. Last September, Graham proposed a 15-week abortion ban, but 1 month later insisted it was an issue for states to decide. He accused interviewer Dana Bash of covering up for opponents who wanted to see barbaric late-term abortions. On the same program, South Carolina Representative Nancy Mace said that Republicans were too rigid and needed to show more sympathy and compassion for victims of rape. Meanwhile, Democrats are advocating for codifying federal protections for abortions as decided in Roe v. Wade. Amy Klobuchar, a senator for Minnesota and a leading voice for abortion rights, hailed the mifepristone ruling and criticized Republican leaders for their opposition to reproductive freedom. Now it appears that the issue of abortion has become a deep division between the Republican and Democratic parties, and the public is beginning to take notice. Polling shows that 3 in 5 Americans approve of abortion access in most or all cases. This growing sentiment is a sign that Republicans are losing support on this issue and may even have cost them votes in the midterm elections. Unfortunately, instead of facing an urgent need to find a solution, Republicans in many states are continuing to tighten abortion restrictions. For instance, Florida's governor recently signed the nation's most extreme ban, which allows abortions until 6 weeks. This, combined with the Supreme Court's recent ruling on the mifepristone pill, has angered many Republicans. Consequently, Republican leaders will need to begin to find middle ground if they are to make any progress on the abortion issue. Representative Mace is right in pointing out that Republican lawmakers need to be more in line with the majority of Americans and avoid taking extreme approaches on this sensitive issue. The danger of going too far, at least politically, is evident with the Florida bill that gave more rights to rapists than to women who have been raped. The anger and frustration toward Republicans that is developing needs to be addressed, and without offering compassion and middle ground on the matter, Republicans can expect to continue to lose votes in upcoming elections.